Dow Jones Industrial Average fell almost 1,200 points in Monday trading in New York. That's the largest daily point loss in the history of the stock market index. This follows a precipitous drop on Friday when it shed 666 unlucky points, which has effectively erased gains for 2018. The S&P 500 also tumbled by almost 98 points or 3.54%, while the Nasdaq closed down 230 points or 3.18% after a day of volatile trading.
The previous record largest daily drop in the Dow Jones came in September of 2008 at the height of the global economic recession, when the index fell 777 points or roughly 6.98%. Due to gains over the last year in the index, Monday's drop was comparatively smaller at 4.6%. Stocks closed sharply lower as rising bond yields continue to fuel the sell-off in equities and hints of rising inflation that could prompt the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates more quickly throughout the course of the year. Treasury bond yields are effectively the price that the government pays to borrow from global investors. The Dow dropped below 1,500 points at one point Monday, with some analysts hoping it was a natural correction after the stock market set record highs, gaining some 40% since the 2016 election. President Donald Trump has consistently taken credit for the surging stock market, including a mention in his State of the Union address last week. A U.S. payrolls report on Friday also showed wages growing at its fastest pace since 2009, adding concerns that both inflation and interest rates would rise faster than expected, meaning that borrowing costs for companies would go up. In other news, Bitcoin also lost its shimmer, dropping below $7,000 after reaching close to $20,000 in December last year. Sherwin Bryce-Pease, SABC News, New York.